trust you lately. And if they...
Hey guys, it's Kay, of course, and I'm back with another video. And this video is actually going to be on a wig I was sent from MyFirstWigs. And if you're interested in this wig, I'm going to go ahead and leave all the links in my description box, so make sure you go and check out the description box. So this is just like an everyday type of bald wig. So the wig I received is in the texture Yaki. This particular hair company, I do love their Yaki hair, so I stick to the Yaki. That's all I get from here, Yaki. That's just my texture. This is in the length 14 inches. Head size is a size 1, and I think that's like a small. And the lace color is light brown. I don't know if y'all watched my other video before this. I don't know if it's going to be before this one. I don't know how I'm going to organize putting out these videos, but if y'all watch my human hair video before this one, the lace is like exactly the same. It's just so meltable, like it melts. So this hairline is pre-plucked. The knots are bleached. It gives you two combs in the front. They give you a comb in the back, the adjustable straps, and they also give you the elastic band that's actually adjustable, and you just clip it. So I do have like some dried up gel on my edges. This is what the hairline is looking like, and it's already pre-plucked, so you don't have to do anything. Like, look at that. Nothing. Like, that's crazy. All right, y'all, so I had to change my location. Ooh, it's fitting so tight, y'all. That is crazy, y'all. So of course the sides are a bit loose, but if you're not wearing like a side part or anything, I feel like you don't really need to worry about it that much. If you're wearing a middle part especially, you could just like, you can't really, you know, you can't tell. To touch bases on like promoting Women's Day, which is actually this Sunday coming up on the 8th. And even though it's, you know, it's not today, it was very important for this company, MyFirstWigs, for me to talk about it, which I actually think is very good, because for one, I'm a woman, and for two, I feel like we don't really get that much acknowledgement as we should. If you do have a business or anything that you are trying to get out there, I know my platform is not as huge, but I feel like it's certain people that's probably looking for what you offer. So if you do have like a small business or anything and you want somebody to check it out, leave it in my comment section down below, because you never know, you guys. I feel like it's definitely important as women to support each other. It's enough success for all of us. Do y'all see it? Are y'all seeing this? Look at that, y'all. Nothing has been done. And look, still like the body is in here. Like, I haven't done anything to this. Is crazy. So I'm gonna go ahead and speed this up and finish styling it. y'all see this? I did swoop baby hair right here, but I didn't right here. But it's kind of looking empty.